Hello, this is Hans.
And this is Kit.
And this is...
a chocolate cake.
Yeah. So, we just went through our hoard of chocolate and found many of the varieties that we've had are now expired.
Oops.
So, what we generally do is we do one night and we'll do like 4 episodes in one night. And it looks like that is a recipe for expired chocolate. So, tonight we're gonna...
Well, of course, and then every time we're out somewhere and we see neat chocolate, we're like, ooh, we need that one.
Yeah.
So we just kind of keep adding to it and don't always...
some of the chocolate we got was on the, like, you go to a store and then it's like sitting on the counter. And the reason it's sitting on the counter most likely is because they're trying to move it because it's going to expire. So there was a couple that I picked that went that route. So anyway, would you like to go first? We're going to go through some varieties in the next few episodes that definitely need our attention before they go tits up.
Because they sound neat.
Yeah.
So, neatness, I'm going to go with our good friend Theo.
Oh, Theo.
Oh, Theo.
Hi, Theo.
That's a hazelnut crunch.
Hazelnut.
Hazelnut.
Alrighty.
45% milk chocolate hazelnut crunch.
Do it. Do it. Do it. Do what you do. Do your doings. Ooh. Ah, shit. Hazelnut crunch. I get the crunch. Not a lot of hazel. Give that a...
more of like a texture.
No. I'll give that a 3. It's tasty.
I'll go with a 2.
Alright. Keeping with the high-end varieties, we bring you Reese. Is it Reese or
Reeses?
Reeses.
Reeses.
Reese's Feces. What the heck is this?
Outrageous pieces.
Outrageous Feces. Well, let's see what we have here with our outrageous Reese's. Outrageous. Remember those bars called Nutrageous? Oh, look at that. Chunky little poopy poo.
Them have been eating corn.
Not chewing much. Yes. For sure. Looks kind of nutty. What do you think of that one? You don't like it?
It's okay. I don't usually like peanut butter stuff.
Yeah, that's.
That one's not bad.
You know what it reminds me of? A Snickers Crisper without the gravel.
Yeah.
There's caramel going on.
Yeah.
Peanut going on.
It's not just like disgustingly sweet peanut butter overload.
Yeah.
It's actually pretty good.
3s.
I'm gonna go 3.5.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah. Well, that was surprising.
Yeah.
Pleasant.
Should we do 2 more?
It's waffles and syrup.
Alright. Is it like the
Number 20.
Stroopwafel? I like the Stroopwafel they give you on the aeroplane. Oh God.
Hope you like syrup.
Yeah. Sipping on some syrup. Who doesn't like sipping on a little bit of syrup? Can't believe they actually made a song called that. And then said that over and over in the song.
Well, I don't like waffles.
Okay. Cheers. I
don't like waffles.
Oh, where do I begin? Maybe white chocolate? Maybe? I don't know. Syrup is such a sweet thing.
It's way too sweet syrupy.
Unsweetened white chocolate. I like the crisps.
Syrup.
Yeah. I don't
much.
know. It just doesn't. It doesn't make me smile. I'm giving this a 1.
I'm giving it a 0.
Wow, you're dishing out those zeros like death sentences.
It's making my stomach churn. Way too much syrup.
We'll make you drink a lot of milk, and then we can make butter in your tummy. That'll be on a later episode. World Market Bar, I choose you.
Ooh,
Devil's food.
cake.
That was a reference to Pokemon, whereas people in the Pokemon.
We can't do that one.
This one is too fucked up.
Oh yeah, it's like white.
Which one will I choose? Let's try this one. Arrow. It's called Arrow because there's a bunch of holes in it. Literally.
Basically, you're paying money for less candy.
Yeah, it's dark mint too, which sounds hella good. And I'm going to take it out of the package now. Whoa. Ooh, that's minty. It like freaking reeks of mint.
Wow, yeah, it does. Little bubbles.
Bubbles. Bubly. You got that new drink at the store that's called Bubly. I don't know. It sounds a little weird.
Someone told me it's actually pretty good.
Yeah.
It's not like sickeningly sweet. It's kind of just got a nice light flavor.
Oh, they don't make it taste. Okay. Cheers.
I don't know why, but that taste reminds me of the dentist's office. Like, oh my god.
That's horrible.
Or even,
That's so much cream de menthe.
almost too, like when you wake up from surgery.
Ladies and gentlemen.
I'm just saying. You wake up from surgery and like they've had like a tube down your throat and all that kind of, you have this horrible, horrible taste in your mouth.
Nestle Arrow. It's like you just woke up from surgery.
That's almost right. Exactly what that tastes like.
Oh, wow. That's...
Or like when they've got
zero
the
for me.
thing on your face and they're saying, okay, take deep breaths. Like,
The cannula. Yeah.
the smell of the.
Oh my god,
the
now I
stuff
get it,
that
because
they
I've had
have in
teeth
the-
pulled and it has that funk to it.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying.
Oh my god.
That smell is what that tastes like. Or whatever. Yeah.
That's like,
That's disgusting. That's
that's
foul.
making I need to drink some
Right?
milk and churn some butter. 0.
0, because I'm not a fan of surgery.
Or unnecessary surgery via the flavor of chocolate, that's for sure.
I don't
Chocolate
like going
surgery
to that
PTSD.
place. Yeah.
Anyways, well, that was fun, and we'll do more, and you'll get more at whatever point we decide you deserve it. So just you wait.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.